Alright, my good people, and now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Like this now, me don't come your screen with breaking news. Me don't come your screen with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside this our green white green country, will be Nigeria. And all of us know very well, say wonders shall never end at all. Now the cocoa be say the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, will be Wike. This man now don't come outside, they accuse one former governor of Rivers State. And this person they go by the name Peter Odili. Wike now dey sama accuse say na Oga Peter Odili now dey encourage the current governor of Rivers State to be Siminalaye Fubara to go dey disobey the president of this our green white green country, maybe Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Wike now dey blame Peter Odili for the failure of the peace agreement wey dem sign between himself, maybe Wike, and the Rivers State governor, maybe Siminalaye Fubara. And Wike will be the Minister of FCT in the yarn all this one like this during a reception wey they organized to host Rivers State stakeholders on Friday. And my good people, we all know say the battle for the political control of Rivers State between the Rivers State governor Siminalaye Fubara and his predecessor, will be the Minister of the FCT, and I'm talking about the one and only Wike. It don't dey go on for years now, because now since 2023 now this quarter starts. And based on this quarter now, it can bring disagreements between the two former allies, between these two former men. We say they be paddy before. Now they don't turn foes. Now they don't turn enemy. And no be lie, my good people. For inside the year 2023, the Rivers State governor will be Siminalaye Fubara and the camp of the FCT Minister will be Wike have been signed a peace agreement. And this very particular 8-point peace deal, first way carry and come now our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and other stakeholders. And these stakeholders they include the one and only Peter Odili. And this meeting now, this deal, so it happened for inside one crucial meeting like that for inside the presidential villa we for Abuja. But last the peace deal can't fall apart. Governor Fubara now he can yarn say last so he was ambushed into making deal with his predecessor will be Wike. Did this peace deal so na trap way Wike camp then set for him. And Peter Odili now will be say he na two-term governor of Rivers State. He can accuse Wike of self-interest. Speaking at one event like that for inside Port Harcourt on the 28th day of December for inside the year 2024, Oga Peter Odili can give accolade to the governor of Rivers State to be Siminalaye Fubara for preventing Wike from turning the Rivers State into his private estate. And according to how the talk they come up for the mouth of Sir Peter Odili, he said it has now been over 12 months since the 25th of October 2023 when a fierce existential fight, though unnecessary, was waged against the Rivers State governor, Siminalaye Fubara, over the soul of Rivers State. But with assuring fortitude, the Rivers State governor Siminalaye Fubara confronts the challenge. Now don't prevent the quest by one man to capture the state as a private estate. He can still emancipate Rivers State people, and he can steady governance, and he can make civil servants and Rivers State people can they happy, can they jolly with their lifestyle, as the team been there before when he leave office for the year 2007. This my good people now how they talk they come on for Peter Odili mat. But however, my good people, the Minister of FCT will be Wike last he can fire back, he can reply Sir Peter Odili on Friday. And now can yarn say him will be Wike, in they remain the best governor where Rivers State don't ever produce. Wike consider yarn say during his time as a governor, he will try to make Rivers State the medical hub of South Nigeria. So how come now somebody go come outside the yarn say him will try to convert Rivers State into a personal estate? And as Wike they address the guests them, and these guests they include Senator Adams Oshomole and the governor of Edo State to be Monday Okpebolo for inside this particular event. So the FCT Minister Konde Yan say he no will apologize for his comments on Peter Odili, because now Oga Peter Odili now come outside the yarn say somebody they convert Rivers State to his personal estate, and that's now why they don't come so to come show statistics. Say that talk when talk you know the correct at all. And the person when they convert Rivers State to a personal estate, now him will be Sir Peter Odili. And to crown it all, Sir Peter Odili is now the general overseer. and I constantly persuade the Rivers State Governor wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara to disobey everything wey our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu talk during the time wey they make the peace agreement. And as I'm talking to you now, my good people, the former senator wey dey represent Rivers State Southeast, the person dey go by the name Magnus Abe, he now don come outside dey accuse politicians wey dey support the Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara. Oga Magnus now dey yarn say those politicians wey dey support Oga Siminalayi Fubara, they no dey support am sake of say dem love am o. They dey support am sake of say they dey pursue personal gains. They dey support the Rivers State Governor sake of say e go further their personal political ambitions. And their number one ambition na to bring down the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, and that is Wike. And Oga Magnus yarn all these levels for inside the Rivers State Stakeholders Program wey dey hosted by the FCT Minister, the one and only Wike, in celebration of the new year. And all these levels dey happen on Friday. And for there, Oga Magnus come dey emphasize say the politicians now wey dey support Siminalayi Fubara wey be Rivers State Governor, they are not doing so out of love for Rivers State or the governor, but rather they use the Rivers State Governor as a tool to undermine Oga Wike. And according to how the talk take come aside from the mouth of Oga Magnus, he said in the last election, everybody for inside Rivers State do anti-party. With all due respect, him too wey be Magnus Abe, he follow do anti-party. He no allow the SDP candidate to come and campaign for inside Rivers State. And when the SDP candidate come in house, he make am very clear say in dey plaster with our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And even Oga Wike sef, him point am hand say he follow do anti-party. And Oga Wike too make am very clear say in dey plaster with our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and not the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party. And I'm talking about the one and only ACCUS3D. Oga Magnus constantly yarn say the current governor of Rivers State wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara, him too follow do anti-party. And that na sake of say Oga Siminalayi Fubara been plaster with Oga Wike, and he no support the PDP, their presidential candidate wey be ACCUS3D. And that's na why he don come outside dey yarn say many of the politicians wey dey support the Rivers State Governor today, they don engage in anti-party activities by supporting candidates from other parties. Oga Magnus constantly yarn say the PDP leaders wey dey support Oga Siminalayi Fubara today, they no bin support the PDP governorship candidates wey be Governor Fubara. They bin support the APC candidates. And likewise, the APC leaders bin no support their presidential candidates, but then rush go dey support the PDP presidential candidate. So therefore, everybody do anti-party. But the matter wey everybody talk about na Oga Wike own anti-party matter, and that na because say Oga Wike succeed while others fail. This my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say our hobby now to dey give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside with nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as they come with more news, now you go first get the intel and you go get them sharp. Me dey come your side again with all that legit info for you my good people. Try make una no go anywhere.